Well, the drive system comprises the input supply breakers, the supply transformers, the drive itself, and the motor. As ABB, we try to provide the advice to actually manage potential failures, but prior to that is to offer upgrade or replacement solutions on both ABB drives and non-ABB drives. The control upgrade is the most cost-effective option, and you would only replace the control part of the existing drive, interfacing to the power part. And that control upgrade will replace the control electronics, including the firing of thyristors. These electronics can actually be replaced with retention of the main power part of the converter. The advantages of a control upgrade is that actually there's very little disruption to the existing drive equipment and infrastructure. There's no costs associated with the replacement of the power converter, the installation cables, or replacement of the actual cubicle. The disadvantages are really associated with retained equipment, but this is managed and we ensure the existing equipment can be maintained in a life cycle program. There are cases when upgrade options should not really be considered. For example, the installation of a replacement drive can actually be quicker than that of a control upgrade. It does depend again on the actual size and type of drive it is. And a replacement drive would be offered when we actually want to keep the actual motor, supply transformers, some of the peripheral equipment. If the existing condition of the drive system is poor, if the drive possibly is in excess of 25 to 30 years old, the technologies used on the drive is not appropriate, if there are efficiency savings to be made by changing the technology, by changing the actual drive concept. In this case, we're replacing the drive panel, and that includes the power part, control part, and any interface control you may have. And a replacement drive can either be designed for the application, or it can be a standard product that ABB or alternative companies can supply. So there are cases where we can offer replacement drive solutions using the latest technology. Low harmonic input drives using active input rectifiers, new high efficiency AC machines. These all add value in new installations. The disadvantages with a drive replacement is really the cost of logistics, access to actually replace the complete drive cabinet. The next level, which is retrofit, where the converters are maybe a little bit smaller and you can actually offer new converters and new control electronics. The advantages of retrofit, in this case we're replacing the control part, and the power converters is we're using the existing infrastructure of the drive again, similar to the control upgrade. Replacing the power converters, you're able to offer lifecycle management program in line with the actual power converter part of the drive. Here, again, the logistics, actually the installation time, the disruption to the existing drive equipment and plant is minimal. If you have an obsolete drive, then ABB can help. Contact your local ABB and they will arrange a service visit and site audit, and we can work together with you to actually provide a solution to manage obsolete equipment.